In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new time entry to an employee's timesheet. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Pay Period. Choose Timesheets from the drop-down menu. You should arrive at a list of timesheets. To add a new entry to a timesheet, first make sure you have the correct employee. I'm going to switch to Allison, so I'll click this arrow and choose Allison. Then double check that you're working in the correct pay period. I am. Next, choose Add. Choose a date to add a time entry for. Let's say Allison came in on the 10th. Then add a start time. Maybe I will say 4 p.m. and she worked until 6 p.m. She came in just for a couple of hours to cover someone else. Then I could enter in any break hours. I'm going to leave that blank for now. TeamWork 5 will automatically calculate the total hours for you. You cannot change the location because this timesheet is location specific. I could, however, change the project or task. If I click this arrow, let's say that it was spring exams, not general operations. So I'll click on that project task. Then I'll choose an activity. Maybe instead of Supervisor 1, it was holiday decorations. I could leave any notes. I could alert the manager. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this entry, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now that entry on January 10th has been added. That's how you can add a new time entry to a timesheet. Check out the next video to learn how to edit a timesheet entry.